This is your moment. You look around, and everyone is moving ahead. But you're stuck in your own mind. You try, but you fail, again and again. And slowly, your silence becomes your prison. You ask, why me? Why does it hurt so much? Why is it always me who gets left behind? But let me tell you something. Every great warrior was once wounded. Maybe life isn't punishing you. Maybe it's preparing you. Every failure, every fall was fire. And fire doesn't destroy steel, it forges it. Stand up, breathe deep. Look at the mirror and say, I am still here. I still matter. I still can. This world won't hand it to you. You will have to take it. You will have to fight. And not just outside, but within. You're not too late. You're not too broken. You are exactly where your story was meant to turn. So get up and own this moment, because someone is waiting for you.